Now we are continuing our videos about the Amplified Bible. This will be Amplified 4, and this will be in the Bible folder. Now, the previous one we did was the small one, the Amplified Reference and Concordance Bible. This second one is called the Amplified Bible Large Print. Now, you would think it might be the same as the other, but it isn't. That's why I have kept all of these, because they are all different in some way. For example, this one has notes here and there in it where the other one does not have any notes, but it has a concordance which can take the place of that, of course. Now, also what it does, when it has the words in parentheses or some other way to give you more meanings of the words, this will have more meanings of the words than the other one, than the first one does, for example. And it will also show you in little notes some of the literal translations of the words. Now, for example, let's take Psalm 102, for example, and let's look at verse 6. Now, I am like a vulture of the wilderness. I am like an owl in the wasteland. Now, here's what they put in as extra words. I am like a mournful vulture of the wilderness and like a desolate owl in the wasteland. So you see, mournful is added and desolate is added, which was not added in the other one. But when it says vulture here, it gives a note underneath which says literally pelican or some kind of desert bird. Now, what this one also does, of course, it has some of the same cross references here and there as the other one does. But what this will do more than the other one, it will have occasional notes at the bottom where the previous one did not. And these notes are given clearly because it will show you when you look at a particular verse, for example, it will show you. Oh no, it won't. Well, let me see if it does. Let me take a look here. We're in Proverbs 29, verse 20. Yes, it does. Yep. It shows you because it has a little clip right there and it says where to go. So these footnotes are different than the other one, and their commentaries also are larger than the other one and better than the other one. Also, I would say that in here there is no concordance, but what it does have as well is 0 maps. So it is very good with many more notes, some changes in the actual words that are added, which is making it more useful in that way than the other one, but it has no concordances and no idea about words in the Bible. So those are some of the differences between these two of the Amplified Bible.